Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of working from home. But let us define first what is work from home and when it started to be normalized. Work from home is a modern working arrangement where employees perform their job responsibilities remotely, typically from their own home, instead of an office environment. Working from home begins to be normalized when COVID-19 pandemic starts to hit many countries all over the world. Many companies chose to transact online due to strict restrictions on face-to-face transactions and social gatherings. Now, let us determine what are the different advantages and disadvantages of working from home.
One of the advantages of working from home is work and life balance.
Okay everyone, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope that I will see you soon.
Okay, now, when we're talking about work and life balance, there is an equal balance between our work and also our daily chores. Second advantages of working from home is commute free.
So hot today. Luckily I work from the home and not from the office. It's so hot.
When we're talking commute free, there's a lot of employees experiences lack of money that can contribute to their expenses. Third advantage of working from home is family interaction.
Hey brother! Are you done working now? Can you play basketball outside?
Well, I'm done, so it's about time. Let's go!
As we all know, interaction between our family members is important to build a strong relationship. Now let's move on what are the disadvantages of working from home. First disadvantages of working from home is tech issues.
Oh no! My laptop is automatically shut down. What's the problem?
When we're talking about tech issue is malfunctions between our software, even hardware that can affect our access to the network. Second disadvantages of working from home is lack of supervision.
Okay everyone, that's for today. Thank you for listening.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
When we're talking about lack of supervision, it is happen when there is a lack of check-ins between our managers, team leaders that can help us to set a clear boundaries that affect our performance within our home. Third disadvantages of working from home is unexpected distractions.
That's so loud. Sir, sorry, I can't hear properly, bro.
When we're talking about unexpected distraction, it is happen when there is unexpected noises that comes to our environment.
Work from home or working from home, isang salitang Ingles na nangangahulugang pagtatrabaho mula sa tahanan. Isa itong salita na namayanit sa internet na tumutukoy noon sa mga freelancer o mga taong kumikita batay sa trabahong kanilang ginagawa sa pamamagitan ng internet. Noong lumaganap ang COVID-19 or coronavirus ay naging tanyag ito sa kadahilanan ang pamahalaan ay nagdeklara ng lockdown o pansamantalang hindi paglabas ng bahay dahil na rin sa kapamakan na maaaring itulot ng virus na siyang nagpilit sa mga kumpanya, paaralan at mga negosyo na ilagay ang kanilang mga empleyado sa pagtatrabaho sa kanilang mga tahanan o work from home. Ang ganitong sistema ay nagpatuloy hanggang sa kasalukuyan dahil maraming kumpanya ay patuloy nag-aalok ng work from home sa mga taong katulad ng call center, virtual assistant, graphic design at iba pang mga business outreach process company na patok ng pagtatrabaho ng mga tao ngayon o noong pandemya. Work from home ay isang modernong diskarte sa trabaho na pinapagana sa pamamagitan ng internet at mobility kung saan kasalukuyan, isinasaalang-alang ang pisikal na lokasyon ng isang individual sa pagtatrabaho na maaaring gawin ang isang trabaho mula sa bahay bilang isang konsepto ay napakahalaga sa kasalukuyang panahon. Nakakadarama ng motibasyon ang mga empleyado habang nakakakuha sila ng magandang balanse sa buhay sa trabaho at mapabuti ang kanilang pagiging productive. Ang work from home ay isang mabisang paraan para maging produktibo ang mga tao na hindi alinsana ang banta ng virus o mga problema. Nagpapakita rin ito ng katatagan at pagiging maparaan ng mga Pilipino na kahit anong pagsubok ang dumating ay gagawa at gagawa ng paraan para makabangon sa pagdadapa, paunlad ang sarili at mga pamilya at lalong-lalo na pagpatuloy sa buhay at pagpupigil. Kaya huwag natin i-take advantage ang iba't ibang benepisyo ng work from home para mabawasan ang ibinibigay nating quality